For more than a year, the Insta360 X5 has been one of the most respected 360-degree cameras on the market, setting a high standard for image quality, durability, and ease of use. Despite strong competition from DJI and GoPro, it remained the benchmark many creators recommended. Now, as Insta360 celebrates its 10th anniversary, the company has introduced the X6 as its new flagship 360 camera. With a range of upgrades aimed at improving both shooting and editing, the X6 promises to raise the bar once again. But are the improvements significant enough to justify the upgrade? Let's find out. Both cameras are built for adventure, but the X6 refines the formula. The X5 uses the traditional candy bar shape, measuring 124.5 by 46 by 26.2 millimeters and weighing approximately 200 grams. The X6 adopts a shorter and thicker body design, measuring roughly 100 by 50 by 40 millimeter, while dropping weight slightly to 196 grams. The new design enhances mounting versatility for helmets and body setups. Both cameras have user-replaceable lenses, but the X6 features Replaceable Lens 2.0, which is 5 times more scratch-resistant than the X5's first-gen lens, and these replacements are cheaper. The X6 also offers improved durability, with IP68 waterproofing up to 20 meters without a case, compared to 15 meters on the X5. Both cameras can reach 60 meters with their dive cases, but the X6 takes this round thanks to its tougher build and improved versatility. This is where the biggest hardware upgrade appears. The X5 uses dual 1x1.28-inch sensors, while the X6 steps up to custom Sony dual 1x1.1-inch sensors. Insta360 claims a 33% increase in sensor area and up to 4 times greater light intake per frame. In bright daylight, the difference is noticeable but not dramatic, as both cameras produce excellent detail and dynamic range. However, in low-light situations, the X6 clearly pulls ahead with cleaner shadows, better noise reduction, improved detail retention, and 10-bit recording across all shooting modes. If image quality is your priority, the X6 comfortably wins this round. The X5 supports 8K 360-degree video at up to 30 frames per second, along with 5.7K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. These specifications remain impressive today. However, the X6 raises the ceiling considerably. The new camera records 8K at 360-degree video at up to 50 frames per second, making it the highest performance consumer 360 camera currently available. It also supports single lens recording at up to 5K at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. The extra frame rate at 8K allows smoother motion, improved action footage, and more flexibility for slow motion sequences. For travel creators, cyclists, motorcyclists, and action sports enthusiasts, the jump from 8K at 30 to 8K at 50 is one of the most meaningful upgrades available. Photo resolution sees one of the most dramatic numerical increases. The X5 captures 72 megapixel 360-degree photos at a maximum resolution of 11,904 by 5,952 pixels. The X6 increases this to a massive 120 megapixel producing images at 15,520 by 7,760 pixels. In practical use, this gives creators significantly more freedom when reframing images for social media, YouTube thumbnails, panoramic crops, or virtual camera movements. Fine details remain sharper after cropping, and landscapes benefit from the additional resolution. While not everyone shoots 360 photos regularly, photographers will appreciate the extra flexibility. Both cameras have a triple chip architecture, but the X6 features a superior 8-core 3.3 GHz processor and 2 AI imaging chips, delivering up to 500% more processing power than earlier models. While the X5 introduced AI editing tools, the X6 significantly upgrades them. AI Director can automatically edit videos, and Auto Edit 2.0 enhances clips with framing, transitions, music, and effects. InstaFrame 2.0 offers better subject tracking and reframing, improving workflow for content creators. The X5 offers basic iLog support for color grading, but the X6 significantly enhances professional production capabilities. It is the first 360 camera with native Dolby Vision recording and supports 10-bit recording in all modes, with native DaVinci Resolve workflow support and 10-bit iLog recording. The X6 stands out for serious creators and colorists. While casual users may find these features less relevant, they are crucial for professionals. Battery performance is a key upgrade between the X5 and X6 models. The X5 features a 2,400 mAh battery, providing about 88 to 93 minutes of 8K at 30 recording, while the X6, with its 2,600 mAh battery, extends this to around 140 minutes. The X6 also boasts improved thermal management, as it can handle extended recording sessions without overheating, unlike the X5, which shuts down after 47 minutes of continuous use. Thank you for tuning in. The Insta360 X5 is a solid 360 camera, but the X6 outperforms it in key areas: better low-light performance, 8K at 50 frames per second, 120 megapixel photos, longer battery life, improved durability, built-in storage, and advanced video features. If you're in the market for a premium 360 camera in 2026, the X6 is the top choice. Is the upgrade worth it, or should you stick with the X5? Let us know in the comments.